Chichu, and Noni! So today, we're going to do slime! And part 2!
So, last part, it didn't go well for us. We kind of used ingredients out from the video. So this counts as cheating.
Yeah.
So today, we're going to use our special ingredients.
Our secret ingredients, by the way.
So, we actually sell it in DIY store. You can get your own slime kit. So you can get container and the glitter and some pigments.
For the color.
Yeah. And our special
Special.
activator. We have some 2 activators inside of this. You can get the foam one and the metallic one.
How nice. Yeah.
Now I didn't look up now.
Yeah.
And you can get glue.
I
And
want to
just
try
to
it.
stir everything. So let's get started.
Okay, let's do it now. Yeah.
First, we're going to open our container.
Okay.
That's going to be our bowl.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't
By the
know.
way, we have to copy our steps so you can do everything correctly.
And بسوي على ساعتها يعني تشيتشو هاللون ولا بسوي سريع رياكشن لا ما بسوي ابدا حقكم وات نسينا شيء شكلنا الاغرام لا لا اوكي جايز تعالوا نخلص الحين نسوي الفيديو عشان عندنا وقت.
So now we're going to add the glue. So you have to put all of the glue in the water.
Okay, guys, you know why I love the color green, my favorite color? I love so much green. Yeah. Like this, I do always like green. This is so hard to squeeze. Oh my god. Guys, you have to say for bigger dad in the word and let you squeeze it like this. Yes.
You just help. I think I have to help you.
Look. No, I don't want to need help. Bayan, do you want me to help? My dad now help me. Okay. Look, the grown ups have to do. What?
So now let's add these stuff.
You have
But
to,
first we have to put the pigment.
guys. You have to get vanilla like this and
A
put
bowl.
the stuff. Or not, you do math and your mom gets you so much
Angry.
Yeah, and hit you with the bed. No, she hit you with the zanuba. In agua. يعني wow. We cool to do.
If you want to make it pop up like a lot, like
Okay, guys.
oh no!
Oh no, Noni, what did you do? I messed by cleaners. What? Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Help her.
No, it's okay. If you want to add a lot, you can add a lot.
Oh, I put a lot of green. Oh, guys, look my eyes. So beautiful. And look at mine. It looks. I think mine is gonna be an ocean blue. Mine can be some zarq. You know zarq, no? Tree. I don't know so much English. Yeah, it's okay. You're gonna learn. شوي بتتعلم. I know. It's the best. البلو مالي show you the cheap bowl.
My spoon is big.
All of
Okay, guys, are you done?
no. Yes. Yeah.
So now let's add the glitter.
Glitter? No, I'm scared of her. Me too. It's so. She's gonna put. And I got blue from my pigment. But guys, you have to say the bigger one. Oh, that's so.
Like her grandma.
No. What? How can a grandma?
Because you said the bigger.
No, you have sister bigger, or a brother, or a dad, so معظم. Like us, we have a dad. Eee. I like glitter so much. Me too. My God, you got it. I put it all of it. Okay, me too. Rawan, look mine. Guys, if you want so much glitter, put so much glitter.
You can all of the glitter.
Yeah. I know every kid likes glitter. You heard me right. Like me, I have so much glitter. And your mom is gonna be so mad because you.
My mom hates glitter.
Yeah. Because they see it all over your face, on the ground, on the wall, even in the bathroom.
Guys, are you done? So now
In your hair. And yeah, some people put the slime in their hair. Yeah, you heard me right. In their hair. So don't do that. And I'm and Rawan, we have so much slime at home, and our mom's so being, why you have so much slime? You're gonna stick it in your hair. And your clothes.
Okay, guys, come on.
Okay.
Activator.
This one? Ew, Noni! This
Guys,
one?
now open your activator.
And put it all, Rawan. What?
No, not all.
ليش?
How?
ليش مو بكله؟
Good question. Why? Because if you put a lot, your slime is going to be so rubbery and it won't even stretch. It will rub.
Is this okay? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Good.
Put a lot and
I'm just scared.
Put a little bit and a little.
Okay, I put a little bit, but I'm gonna mix it now.
Okay. So, no, I think below they are.
Okay?
And
Do I
next
still?
time,
Okay, bye.
If it needs more,
Okay.
add more.
But I put something in the glass. It's already gonna be stretchy. I can see it. I can see it. I can feel it. I can feel the slime. Wow, you're so blue in the sky, dear. Rawan, do we need? Is it gonna need more?
Yeah.
Me? Okay. So I'm gonna put more. For it's gonna be. Ooh! I put so much. Don't put so much. You put so much. Yeah, because
Oh,
it
it's okay.
needs.
It's okay.
Hello. More. Guys, look at mine. Look at mine. So nice and shimmery. Guys, so تعب. ما تعب Bayan. لا.
Well, if you have muscularies, you can do it.
Yeah. Rawan needs more.
Yeah.
Rawan is an expert at slime, so we have to ask her every minute. Do it need more? Me.
Yes, definitely.
How does the smell is not good.
Wait.
Yeah.
So, if you have scent, you can add scent to your stuff.
What is this?
Oh,
Oh,
we
my
have.
God.
So, you're going to add the scent, and if you want to add the scent, you can only wipe it
Do I have to put it, Rawan? Rawan?
Oh my god.
Look at Noni! Rawan, look at this!
Oh my god.
Rawan, I have to put it? Hi, Rawan? Rawan, do I put? Rawan? Rawan, do I put some? Did you remember that it's always sticking to my hand? And Rawan saved it. Queen of slime.
Guys, I just stirred a Noni's wire.
Can you do mine, please?
Oh, yeah, of course.
Ah!
Oh my god, you're a disaster. I have to.
I tell you, I'm so disaster. Okay, I'm gonna give you more of slime.
Oh, look at it.
Me
But the
too.
thing is, if you have lotion for your body, add it.
It's gonna be
It's
nice.
going to be rubbery.
Okay, guys. So, yeah. Hey, Sama. Okay, now let's open it. Ah, this is so amazing.
This is such a success because it's
With
our
ingredients. Our secret ingredients. Why do you always forget that? So guys, I'm trying to do a bubble and I hope it works because I want it to work. Okay, let's see if it can work or not. I'm gonna try. It works. This is, I give it 1,000,000 out of 10.
Checkers.
Mine is being so juicy, not juicy, and the one, I don't want it. Do I put more pigment? My mom is gonna kill me because she don't like slime. Because last time when she saw me with, you know, the other video that we did on our slime, I got messy and I don't have nothing, so I throw it in the